Hi guys, my name is Michael and today let's talk about the trading signals. It's one of the easiest and most effective way to make money on Forex. So in this video we will talk about what are Forex trading signals, can these signals be trusted, how to use trading signals and where to get them, and we will analyze a real example of concluding deals on trading signals that every Liteforex client can access in their personal account. So in general, a trading signal in trading is a hint to a trader that at a certain moment the price can go in one direction or another. Trading signals can be fundamental and technical. Fundamental signals are hints received by a trader from another trader or from another person. In fact, this is insider information. Someone somewhere heard the information, passed it to you, and you, based on this information, completed a trade operation. A technical signal is a signal received from a technical indicator, robot, oscillator, etc. Middle-hand traders have virtually no access to fundamental signals, since these signals are available only to a narrow circle of people. With technical signals, everything is much simpler. They are freely available either from analytical agencies or your broker in special sections of a trading platform. Of course, you can also get a signal directly from the trader, but as a rule, these signals will be paid. There are special sites focused on the sale of trading signals by traders. The most popular platform in recent times has been Zulu, but now the trend for buying signals is on the decline, and free trading signals from private analytical agencies or brokers are becoming most popular. Now, a lot of work is being done to simplify the trading signal services as much as possible. And one of the leading companies in this direction is, you guessed it, Liteforex.
Okay guys, first thing first, let's log into our account. And right now let's figure out how to trade using signals that are conveniently integrated into the trader's personal account. In the trader's office, on the left, there is a vertical panel of the main menu, in which the Analytics tab is located. When you click on this tab, we get to the page of the analytical portal, where there are not only the trading signals themselves, but also analytical materials, opinions of analysts, and interesting articles with the private forecasts of company analysts. At the top of the page, click on the Signals link, which will take us directly to the page with trading signals. By default, the Favorites tab of course will open, and everyone can customize it for themselves. We now are interested in the general menu of trading signals, therefore we need to select the Currencies tab. Now we see only trading signals for currency pairs. First of all, we need to decide on the time period for which we want to see signals and on which we plan to make transactions. On the right side, there is a period button. It's set on M30 and I think it should stay that way. In addition to the column with the names of currency pairs, there are a few more columns, and the most interesting is the recommendation column. It can be 4 types of those recommendations: buy, actively buy, sell, and actively sell. Of course, actively selling is a more reliable signal than just selling, so it is better to focus immediately on maximum reliability. If you have no experience with indicators at all, this column may be just enough for you. For those who want to determine the reliability of the signal on their own, stay with me. Further, we are offered the testimony of the 10 most relevant indicators at the moment on the instrument of interest to us. The first 4 are moving averages. As long as it is the simplest trend indicator, it is not worth trusting its signals, you can immediately skip them. And hereafter more precise oscillators follow, which are worth focusing on. The last 3, stochastic, Bill Williams and zigzag oscillator, are generally included in the top 5 of the best indicators of technical analysis, so you can listen to their signal. The reliability of the signal is displayed in the form of triangles. From 1 to 3 for convenience. Number 3 of course means that the signal is very strong. So, as a result, we understand that the sell signal is very good and can be used. So, right now, let's filter it out. On the top right corner we have the filter, active sell, click apply, and right now we see the currency pairs with active sell signal. So, for example, let's switch to USD CAD, currency pair, by which the signal is received, and click on its ticker. A familiar trading window for this pair will open, in which we will need to complete a deal. Choose the type of the transaction and the time of the transaction. Next, select the type of sale because it's a sell signal and transaction because it is immediate transaction. Set the volume. I will go for 0.20 lots for this trade. Of course, the more we are confident in the signal, the more we can spend on our deal. The signal is actively selling, which means I will go for those 0.20 lots. So next, we should click sell button. Our transaction is open. In the column of current changes, we have an intermediate result. Initially it is negative, due to the commission of course. Now we should wait some time and see the results. After some time, approximately 1 day, we see that the price is really going down and our deal is profitable, which means that of course the signal was excellent. So, in the column of the current change, a profit of more than 20 euros is already been generated. If this profit of 25-26 euros satisfy us, and taking into account the fact that we did not make any efforts at all in order to get them, I think it suits us very well. So we can close our deal and take profits, right? So let's close it, we see the confirmation. We need to also refresh, so our assets total will be updated, and yeah, that's all. Making money on trading signals has really become very simple and most importantly profitable, guys.
If you pay attention to the page with trading signals, there are signals for all instruments that are presented by the broker, which means that you can make transactions not only on one instrument but also on several at once, and this will greatly increase the profit that you can get. Of course, there is a possibility that some of the signals will not work, but in a total mass it will simply not be noticeable, since the number of signals that will bring profit will be much greater. So, thank you for your attention and see you in the next one. Take care.